Well, hello everyone. Well, yeah. Welcome back to World Warships.
Gefechtsstation.
My FPS is not doing too well. I really thought that it would be a lot better, but for me right now, playing it, it looks like I'm getting at least 70 FPS. But for you guys, it may not look the same. So here it is. U-190. You guys saw my video on the U-69. Total failure. And guess what, guys? Extremic medals are back. It is December, what is it? December 12th. And World of Warships has, of course, the, what'd you call it? The new update, the Christmas update, sorry. It takes to come to mind, but yes, folks, why can't I? What the hell? That's weird. I think it's bugged. Whatever. So in today's video, we're gonna have some fun. These torpedoes suck, dude. Jesus. Those ones are actually okay. These things suck. I mean, these ones are fast, don't get me wrong, but the damage is horrible. I mean, oh my gosh, now the FPS is being a little dickhead to me. Sorry. It's, oh, bruh, come on. What is wrong with this freaking... I even factory reset my laptop and everything just so I could attempt to get better FPS. But of course, luck. It's not as it may seem. I'm saying right here. Let's get him in the same spot. No, why did I do that? Shit. Watch, now it's gonna. Yep.
Kapitän, wir wurden
That's
entdeckt.
fantastic. I pressed Q. Oh wait, right.
Wasser dringt schnell ein.
Well, I'll be fine. My brightness is going down for some reason. This is very fun, taking out the British. Oh wait, hold up. Should be it. He's 5-8 away. Ping him again. Bam. Nope. It's not gonna do this much damage, but he's still dead. Kid you, on the other hand, is my next target. Please, bruh. Thank you.
Gegnerisches Schlachtschiff gesunken.
Why is it so loud, dude? Oh, also, when the new Christmas update came out, right, it gave you the choices of, what is it? Tier 10 ships, right? And I chose to go with the Golden Low, just because it's basically the Sharn horse, but you also get, like, a bunch of better benefits to it. So, that's why I was like, oh yeah, I'm taking that, because with the Golden Low, right, you get the airstrike, and also you get 283mm, which are absolutely goated. Oh, okay, it's fine. Those torpedoes are still right on track. If I can just ping them again. Alright. Ooh, nice. Oh, nope, those are behind me. Gosh, my depth perception sucks. Sat on my glasses a while ago. My vision hasn't been really the same since. So, made a big oopsie.
Torpedos auf Steuerbord.
We just got hit by torpedoes, bruh. Pringa. That must suck. He's gonna die before I can even get the kill. What the hell? Ping him again at least. Ugh. KJ, bro, for real. I'm coming up. I've had enough. Alright, well, it's domination, so it won't be that bad. Dude, this guy's Citadel is so easy, bro. Okay, if you guys know about these new, what is it? What's the country? Pan American battleships, right? These new Pan American battleships. Never aim. See this 127 right there? Never aim before this. So this entire area right here, if you shoot here, it's useless. You just get penetrations. You aim here. Oh man, big money. From behind this 127mm secondary and the rest of the hull, you have an entire easy hittable Citadel. This thing's freaking secondaries are so dumb though, dude. Like, I'll be honest, I actually despise those ships, dude. And I think Buffalo's gonna get the kill on the carrier. So I'm just gonna ping this guy because I know Carlsilio is gonna be dead here in a second. And once I get in the carrier's range, nope, yeah. Furious is dead because we haven't lost a single ship. But I got one kill. Alright, happy. I don't think I want to put this up because I should have gotten more. For one, I mean, Buffalo is going to have 5 now after this one. Yep, that's 5 kills for Buffalo. But honestly, I'm happy with what I got. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And be ready for whatever comes out next. Because, man, this new update and all of this, trust me, it's a lot of fun. Oh, look at that. I even get some... Let's go. I even get the missions. Weekly mission. Let's go. And then I get 10,000 credits for earning. Okay. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. I already said the outro. But, see ya.